Today I'm going to show you how you can create this stunning low method animation design using free video tool Shotcut. Hello, I'm Sanketa and welcome to my YouTube channel Vertical Dots. I'm using the 1920 by 1080 format to create this low method. I have added a blue background as an example. Now let's add a new video track. Click on Open Other, then select Color. Choose white color and hit OK. Then hit Open. Drag and drop the white color clip onto the timeline. Then click on Filter, click on the plus sign and look for the crop effect. Select Crop Rectangle. Click on the transparent option located next to the padding color. We will crop the shape to make it a square. Let's make it 170 by 170. We will use a 16 by 16 grid for reference to ensure everything is aligned in the animation. To create the first animation, move your playhead to 15 frames. And click on the stopwatch icon to create the keyframe. You will see a keyframe is created in your keyframes panel. Now move the playhead to the beginning and crop the shape towards the center of the shape. Then make the size 0. When we made the size 0, the shape moved slightly towards the left side. If we keep it that way, then the animation will start from the slightly left side rather than the center. To fix it, we will move its position towards the center where lines are crossing each other. Now you can see that the animation is happening from the center. For smooth animation, right-click on the keyframe, select the keyframe type and click on Smooth. Do the same for the first keyframe. We want a similar square shape but only in a red color. Add a new video track. So, we will copy the white shape and paste it into the new video track. Select the shape, right-click and click on Properties. Click on the color and choose the red color. Now we will change the position of the red shape's keyframes so the animation for both shapes does not happen at the same time. By the way, if you are enjoying the video and learning something new, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Now let's add a new video track for the text. Click on Open Other, select Text and click on Open. Drag and drop the text onto the timeline. We can turn off the grid now. Change the text. Change the font to Arial Black. Uncheck the box for Use Font Size to make it easier to make changes to the size of the text. For the beginning, we will keep the text touching the left side of the shape because we want to show the animation that the shape is moving towards the left side and the text is moving towards the right side. Click on the red rectangle and go to the last keyframe. Use these arrows to go to the next or previous keyframe's position. Click on the plus sign and look for the size, position and rotate filter. Select it and click on the stopwatch icon to create the keyframe for that position. Move the playhead a few frames further. We want to move this shape towards the left side. So for the horizontal position, we will put the value -40. We want the same animation for the white shape too. So go to the previous keyframe's position, select the white shape, Click on the plus sign and look for the size, position and rotate filter. Select it. Click on the stopwatch icon to create the keyframe for that position. Select the red rectangle. Click on the size position filter. Go to the last keyframe's position. Then click on the white shape. Select the size, position and rotate filter. For the horizontal position, put the value -40. Now we will add animation to the text as well at the same time. Go to the first keyframe's position. Then select the text. Click on the plus sign and look for size, position and rotate filter. Click on the stopwatch icon to create a keyframe at that position. Again, select the red rectangle. Make sure you select the size, position and rotate filter. Then go to the last keyframe. Select the text layer. Click on size, position filter. For the horizontal position, put 20. You should change the position according to your text or composition. Now we will add a crop filter to the text. Click on the plus sign and look for the crop filter. Select crop rectangle. Click on transparent. Change the size of the crop rectangle. Select the size position filter. Go to the last keyframe's position. Select the crop effect. Click on the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe to that position. Then again, select the size position filter to get the first keyframe's position. Select crop effect again and crop the text from right to left, making the text invisible. It will look like this. I think we should move the keyframes a little further to the right so that it will hide the text for a little longer and the animation will look smoother. So far, the animation looks like this. Now let's add more fun elements to it. Add a new video track. Click on Open Other, select Color. Select white color, hit OK. Drag and drop the white shape onto the timeline. Next, click on Filter and then the plus sign. Look for Crop and select Crop Rectangle. Click on Transparent. Now create a thin line and position it on the top of the text. Set the width of the line to 10. To add animation to the line, select the text layer, then click on Size Position. Go to the last keyframe's position. Select the line. Click on the stopwatch icon to add the keyframe to that position. Next, select the text layer to get the first keyframe's position. Click on the line and crop it from right to left. Set the width to 10 and the length to 0 to make the line invisible. Add a new video track and copy and paste the line layer to it. Go to the last keyframe's position and move the line to the bottom of the text. Then go to the first keyframe, right-click and select Remove. Crop the line from right to left and set the width to 10 and the length to 0 to make it invisible. Move the playhead a little further than the second keyframe and click on the stopwatch icon to add the keyframe for that position. Again, move the playhead a little further and crop the line from left to right, making its length shorter. Adjust the weight to 10. It will look like this. To reverse the animation and create a nice fade out effect, go backward so that the last element added will be the first one to fade out and the first element will go last. Select the short line and click on the stopwatch icon to add the keyframe for that position. Move the playhead a few frames further and crop the line from right to left. Next, set the width to 10 and length to 0. Move the playhead to the middle of those two keyframes. Select the second line and repeat the same process. Select the text layer, choose the crop effect and click on the stopwatch icon to add the keyframe to that position. Move the playhead a few frames further and crop the text from right to left to make it invisible. Move the playhead to the middle of those two keyframes. Next, select the red rectangle. We will split the shape first. We will add the animation on this part. Click on the stopwatch icon to add the keyframe to that position. Move the playhead a few frames further and turn on the 16 by 16 grid and crop the shape towards the center. Set the value to 0 for both width and height. Change the position, moving it towards the center point. Move the playhead to the middle of those two keyframes. Split the white rectangle shape and click on the stopwatch icon to add the keyframe to that position. Move the playhead a few frames further and crop the shape towards the center. Set the value to 0 for both width and height. Now you can export it as a transparent template so that you don't have to create this animation every single time. Simply delete the background. Click on Export and select QuickTime Animation under the Alpha preset. Then select the location and click on Save. Next time, just import that file into the project and make changes as per your requirements. By using this technique and adding your personal style to it, you can create your own logo thread design. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next one.